Alright, pocket height on the back. Height on the back. Okay, we've lost glass. Alright, head height. Yeah, it's just shattered to pieces. Okay, now we're just all the way up here. It's about, I don't know, I'd say like 10 feet. Sure. 3, 2, 1. And there we go. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Pocket height on the face. Now we're up to chest height. Oh, look at that. So the crack has spread. So now we're just going to do a full-on head height on the face. Yep, as I expected, it got way worse. I'd say this is about 10 feet. Right on the face. Oh, wow. The whole one actually is damaged. That's crazy.